Hello, this is Michael Kibler of Kibler's Typewriter Company, and today I'm going to show you one of my machines I have for sale up on my site. This is a turquoise blue Smith Corona Corsair Deluxe portable typewriter, serial number 6YC795171, made in the 1960s. Now this is an amazing little machine. It has a lot of the features of a standard typewriter, desktop typewriter, but all the compact and light features of a portable. And I'm just going to show you how big this thing is. I mean, it's not very big. It's about a foot tall by a little over a foot wide, and about 4.5 inches tall, and it's extremely lightweight. Has rubber feet on the bottom of the case to keep the case from scratching the surface of the furniture. You open the case by pressing these two buttons at the same time. Now, one thing I love about this typewriter is the color. It's turquoise blue, and it's a very popular color, like the pink Royal Quiet Deluxe. This is a very preferred choice among collectors. It's a plastic body and case, and that makes it almost as strong as a metal body, but more than half as light. And it's really lightweight. Makes it great for travel, vacations, and also good for heavy duty work for all of you heavy typers out there. It's a very, very rugged machine. I mean, I bought this at an antique mall, and I started using it to do my AP World History homework, and it typed great. No oil needed or anything. Of course, that doesn't mean I didn't do any of the usual procedures when I got to my shop. I oiled it, cleaned it, dusted it, and I installed a new ribbon down here. And it's a red-black ribbon, and it types like a champ. Now, some of the features I mentioned earlier on this machine are very, very cool. For example, has automatic tab stops that go to a pre-selected point in the carriage. Now, what's cool about this is that one of the tab sets the plate in the carriage to the middle of the machine, where you can then immediately put on the case, without having to do all that usual guesswork with normal portables about where the carriage should be so you can close the case. This does it for you. Some other features: two-color ribbon, has a stencil feature down here, which makes it so it doesn't activate the ribbon the ribbon vibrator. Has down here low, medium, and high key strength, key tension, which if you have a higher strength hand, then you're going to want to put on the more tension so you don't break the machine. But if you have a delicate touch, then you can put it on low, and the typewriter will adapt to your touching needs. Now, some of the features, you have this cool little feature down here on the spacebar. It's called error control. What it does is, if say you type the word cape and you just type it CPE, and you're missing the A, what you would do is you would backspace to C. You would press the spacebar in once, put the A in, then release it all the way. And what that does is it inserts a letter between the C and the P, and makes it look like the typewriter just goofed up a second, so you don't have to retype something or white out or anything like that. So it's a very useful feature. What else? There's the carriage controls up here have usual 1 and 2 spacer, has the disengages the feed rollers over here. And down here you can see Corsair Deluxe, and there's a page gauge down here, and it's a really cool little machine. I don't want to let go of it, but I still have to be in business, so I'm giving you guys an opportunity to purchase this on my website. Before we go, I'm going to give a quick little typing test like I do with all machines, and it's going to be the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, which uses every letter of the alphabet, and tests to see if any keys are defective, which on this machine they are not. Set to black. Has a snappy little type action and a nice little font. Let's see if you can see that here. Quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Oh guys, if you couldn't tell already, I just bought a new camera for myself, and it's a great little camera. I'll be using it to take videos from now on. Let me know what you think of the quality of this video. It should be many times better than what my previous videos were used with. Thanks for watching, guys. You can find this machine on my site. I'll have a link to it in the YouTube box of the description. And the cost is $165 plus shipping. And it comes with the case and the new red-black ribbon. Thanks, guys, for watching. This has been a Kibler's Typewriter Company video production, and see you next time.